Hi, this is Bob McBride with MarineMax, Missouri, and I'm here today with you on this brand new 2021 Harris Crowne. It's a 250 model, the single lounger, and it's in this gorgeous fusion red. It's got the oak wood woven teak floor with the desert camel interior. This is loaded up. This has everything you need. It's got a performance package, 3.5. It's powered by a Mercury Verado, 400 horsepower. So it's got pretty much everything. We've got a ski locker here. It's got the Diamond Platinum, or the Diamond JL audio stereo, so plenty of sound for you. Beautiful boat, absolutely gorgeous. You will arrive in style when you show up with this. I've got the power arch. It's powered, it's folding, and it's got the plexiglass here, so it does give you a diffused light when you come down. This one has the glass dash on it. It has a 12-inch and a 7-inch, so everything is controlled right there. It's got a single lounger here, and this is a power lounger, so I just have to hit the button like this, and it will go so that you can ride backwards. And this one has the gates so that you can go however you want. And like I mentioned, it's powered by a Mercury 400 Verado. And this Verado is so quiet you probably never even know that it's been running the whole time we're doing the video. So I want to thank you. Give us a shout here at MarineMax, Missouri. And I'm Bob, 573-606-3212.